Now we will begin learning the words for family members. The vocabulary that we are learning here related to family members is more formal. There are many informal terms for these words. These will be introduced later on. To expand your Japanese vocabulary, there are many handy online dictionaries available that you could source. Let's begin. Please repeat each word 2 times. First one is father. お父さん。お父さん。mother。お母さん。お母さん。parents。両親。両親。grandfather。おじいさん。おじいさん。grandmother is おばあさん。おばあさん。grandparents are 祖父母。祖父母。older brother お兄さん。お兄さん。younger brother 弟。弟。older sister お姉さん。お姉さん。younger sister 妹。妹。For a group of brothers or a group of brothers and sisters, we say 兄弟。兄弟。For a group of sisters, we say 姉妹。姉妹。Child and children are 子供。子供。A son is 息子。息子。daughter 娘。娘。To say the word I for men, women, and young girls is 私。私。I for a young boy's speech is 僕。僕。To say we all is 私たち。たち is a suffix for the plural form that we repeat. 私たち。私たち。Word for you is あなた。あなた。You all is あなたたち。あなたたち。The word he is 彼。彼。It is for casual use. The polite form of he or she can be その方。その方。which means that person or あの方。あの方。which means that person over there. The word for they is 彼らたち。彼らたち。It's a casual expression. The word she will be 彼女。彼女。It is for casual use. The word for they, in the case of females, that will be 彼女たち。彼女たち。If you are referring to more than two people, add the suffix たち after 方. For example, その方たち。その方たち。Which means those people and あの方たち。あの方たち。Which means those people over there. The word for uncle is おじさん。おじさん。And in the plural form is おじさんたち。おじさんたち。And will be おばさん。おばさん。Plural form is おばさんたち。おばさんたち。Grandchild is 孫。孫。Plural form is 孫たち。孫たち。Cousin is いとこ。いとこ。Relatives is 親類。親類。or 親戚。親戚。Nephew is おい。おい。Niece is めい。めい。A baby is 赤ちゃん。赤ちゃん。